As a firefighter, you will be called to respond to the darkest of situations. Your knowledge of how to light the emergency scene will be vital to get immediate help to the victims on scene and to ensure the safety of all firefighters. In this program on lighting equipment and power supplies, you have seen information about emergency scene lighting and auxiliary electrical equipment used to plug into power supplies, portable power plants, including fixed and portable generators, general safety considerations for using electrical equipment, and how to maintain portable power plants to ensure they provide adequate power to your equipment. In this case, knowledge really is power. Your knowledge of your department's lighting and power plants is vital, as they provide the power to clearly see the emergency scene and do what needs to be done when lives are on the line.